Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make marble Cicero cake. This turned out so delicious. The cake itself, it's light and fluffy. It's so delicious. Just look at it, guys. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. So I'll be using 7 eggs for this recipe, and then my eggs are the smaller ones. So if you are using large eggs, you can use, or medium eggs, you can use 6 for the same recipe. I went ahead and separated the egg white from the egg yolk. Please bear in mind, you do not want any egg yolk in the egg white. Bear it in mind. I then went ahead and stir it. I added in sugar, oil, and vanilla essence. I'll stir this together till well combined. So this point, I didn't use the hand mixture, but then if you are using the hand mixture, it will be quite easier, because I whisk it for quite 3 to 4 or 5 minutes. And then added in milk and then stir this together till well combined again. I'll go ahead and add in flour, salt, a pinch of salt, and baking powder. I'll sieve it in and then stir it together till well combined again. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So I'll stir this and just look at this. This is the creaminess, like the thickness you're looking for. After, I'll scoop 1/4 cup and keep it aside. I'll then set the butter side aside as well and work with the egg white. To the egg white, I'll add in sugar and then whisk until it's firm. So this cake is very simple and easy. You can even close your eyes and make this cake. So this is what you're looking for. It should be firm like this. As you can tell, I turned the bowl and then it's not even coming out. To the one that I took aside, I'll add in baking powder. Cocoa powder. I'll sieve in cocoa powder and then stir till well combined. Once it's combined like this, I'll add in about 1/4 cup of the egg white. So I'll whisk or stir this together till well combined again and set that one aside as well. This should be the thickness or how it is, the consistency. This is how it should be. I'll set it aside and bring the butter, the cake batter. So I'll add in about 1/3 of the egg white and then stir together like so until everything is well combined, and then add in the second half. You do not want to add in all at once. If not, maybe it could form lumps, which you do not want that. So divide it into 3, add in the first half, second, and then the last. That's what I did. You want a smooth cake batter, just like so. Just look at it, guys. Just look at it. So this should be the texture, this should be the consistency. After, make sure you line your baking tray with parchment paper and then pour in the cake batter. When done, make sure it's well leveled and then tap it to take out any excess air bubbles, and bake this at 165 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. So before baking, I went ahead and transferred the chocolate one in a plastic bag. You can use a piping bag as well. So all you have to do is make a straight zigzag line on it, just like so as demonstrated in the video, and then use a skewer or a toothpick to make the design, and you are good to go. This is very simple, it's easy. You can even close your eyes and do this. Just look at it. So like I said, bake this at 165 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes, or till a toothpick is inserted and comes out clean. Whilst the cake was baking, I went ahead to make the filling, the cream cheese filling. So I added whipping cream or whipped cream in the bowl. I whip it until it's almost firm, and then I added in the cream cheese. I'll then add in icing, sugar, and then wait until it's firm again. Once it's done whipping, I'll set it aside or put it in the fridge until it's ready to be used. So this is what you're looking for. I'll keep it in the fridge until the cake has cooled down completely before using it. Once the cake comes out from the oven, I'll take off the baking tray and then place a parchment paper on top. I'll then flip it and take out the parchment paper again. So just look at the cake itself. It's soft. It's so delicious. Roll it whilst it's still warm and then let it cool down completely before adding in the filling. This is what you're looking for. I kept it aside for at least 2 hours or until it has cooled down completely before I went ahead and added in the cream cheese filling. Once it has cooled down completely, I'll go ahead and add in the cream cheese filling. And basically that's it, guys. This is simple, easy. Roll it when you are done adding in the cream cheese filling and then take off the parchment paper. Try to cut off the tips to make sure it's clean. You want a clean job here. And that's it, guys. It's simple, easy, and you're ready and you're good to go. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Give this video a share and a thumbs up. See you. Bye bye.